Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our another episode of ArcGIS. We are at the very end of this our GIS software series, and today we are going to discuss a different kind of project, which is network analysis. To do this project, we need to add another window, which is network analysis, and we are going to set these things at a suitable place. And in this project, we will work with a different kind of data, and this is our file. We need to double click this, and these all are the materials or the data for this project. So we are going to select this road here. Okay, this data is just not a simple kind of data. This is a composite file. Here you can see there are some three kind of data here: the road junctions and edge and the roads. If you scroll over this, you will see this kind of point data are the nodes, which indicates the intersections between these roads, and these lines are the edge, and all the edge and the nodes prepare a road, and all this edge and nodes together create this kind of file. Okay, so now we will work with different kind of methods of network analysis. Here you can see new routes, new service area, closest areas, and all others. So let's see how this actually works. Before we start analyzing, we need to just uncheck this, and we will just check the roads. So here you can see there are some options. So first one is new route. So basically new routes helps us to find the shortest distance or the nearest distance among all the points. Okay, so let's see how it actually works. We just need to click here, and this type of options will come, and we just need to add another file. Okay, so we need to go there and add the bus stop here, and just dragging this, and okay, these all points are indicates the bus stops or the facilities. So we just need to change the color to better visualization. Okay, and then click it. Okay, so this green point indicates the bus stoppage or the facilities. Okay, so here you can see there is a options for network analysis window. Okay, we just need to select this. So here we just need to drag the bus stoppage to the stop. Okay, and here you can see, and we just need to click the OK options. Now we just need to go to select the route, and then there is options for solve, and click it. In this file there is a problem. You can see 55 is a problematic point. So to solve this method, we just need to click here and going to select the 55 options, and then just delete it. Okay, after deleting this, we just need to select the route once again and then solve it. So here you can see our operation is done. We just need to change the color for better visualization. Okay, we just select the red color. Okay, so this red color indicates the shortest route among this bus stoppage. So this is how we actually can find out the shortest distance by this network analysis tool. So this is all about the first process. Okay, so our first operation is done. We are just simply remove this thing. Okay, so let's see how our second operations. So here is the second options for new service area. So we can just measure our service area by this new service area. So let's see how it works. Okay, so double click this or single click this. Here is the options for facilities. So we just need to calculate the facilities of our bus stoppage. So here the bus stoppage are the facilities. So we just need to drag this and just paste it here. Okay, so we just need to select the OK, and here we just need to go to the properties of the service area, and here is options for service analysis settings. Here you can see, and here are some default breaks. We just need to set the service area for 1000, 2000, 3000, and then OK. So now if I click here and going to solve these things, it will just take some time to operate. Okay, let's see. Okay, after taking some time, it's now solved. Okay, so I just need to uncheck the road, and if I click here and going to the properties and then going to the symbology, and then I just need to select a color M here and then apply and then OK. So here you can see this area are the service area of this individual points. So this green area is the nearest to the facilities, and the red one is the farthest from these facilities. So this is how we actually can calculate our service area by this network analysis. So now we are going to see another operations. So remove these things, and here you can see there is a options for the new closest facilities. By this new closest facilities, we can actually calculate the which facilities is nearest to me. So let's see. Here you can see, and our facilities is similarly the bus stoppage. So we just need to select and drag this here and OK. And incident indicates the location where I actually live or from where I need the facilities. So I just need to select here and zoom in and just select a place, and this is indicates my home. Okay, and after doing this, we just need to go here and then going to solve. Okay, and here you can see this is the closest facilities from my home, and this is how we actually can find out the closest facilities by this new closest facility. Okay, so now we just need to remove this, and here you can see there are two another options, one for new OD cost matrix and new vehicle routing problem, but in this case we have not enough data for solving these things, so we just need to skip this. And one last thing is new location allocations. Okay, by this new location allocations we can actually find out the best service area for me or the best demanded area for me. So let's see. Okay, so here the bus stoppage are the facilities. Okay, and similarly OK, and we just need to set our demand point here. So this is on, we just need to select the demand point and set the demand point of our facilities. Okay, so we have just selected 3 demand point. Now just go there and list and just click the solve. So it is suggesting me for the best service or facilities area. So this is how we actually can find out our best service area. So this is all about the network analysis tool. So that's all about the network analysis. See you in next videos. Take care.